Hey everybody, Jim King, King Piers, out here in Overland Park. 24 pier project. I've got half my guys here and half on another project that will be done today. Tomorrow will be full crew over here. Making good work out of it. Look how deep these holes are. Outer garage wall right here. Pretty deep hole, perfectly dug hole. A little bit of water down there. I like seeing that. Working on the power line, no problems. When you hand dig these holes, you never experience a cave in, at least we haven't. We got it down to an art. Right here on the north side of the house. We're gonna be working our way all the way around. This square right here, you see the blue tape, it's gonna be removed and replaced. These three sections, and then you got this section right here. And then all of the sidewalk is going to be re-poured. As far as that step goes, we're gonna raise it up. Stay tuned, folks. Beautiful house. For all your foundation repair needs, call me. I believe we are USA's proven best at foundation repair. There you have it, 816-521-8915. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you. Have a blessed day.